In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your Chatgpt prompts with Zapier, making it an easy and seamless process. First, you'll want to navigate to Zapier's website, which is a powerful tool that allows you to connect and automate tasks between different applications. If you haven't yet visited their site, now's the time to do so. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the Login button. You'll find it conveniently located on the homepage. Clicking on this will allow you to enter your credentials if you already have an account. If not, you'll want to sign up by following their registration process. Once you're logged in, you should be directed to the Zapier homepage. Here, you'll see a variety of tools and services at your disposal. What we want to focus on today is creating a Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow between your apps and services. Look for the option that says Zaps and click on it. Now, let's talk about creating a Zap. This is where the real magic happens. Select the option that allows you to create a new Zap. You'll typically find a button labeled Create a Zap. Click this to begin the setup process. Once you have started creating your Zap, the first step is to add steps to your Zap. Essentially, you're defining the series of actions that you want your automated workflow to accomplish. For this demonstration, we're going to be using Google Sheets in combination with OpenAI's Chatgpt. So in the search bar under Add Steps, type in Google Sheets and select it from the list of available apps. This is going to be the first part of our automation process. With Google Sheets selected, you'll now need to determine what action within Google Sheets will trigger the subsequent tasks. Once that's done, you will then move on to add OpenAI or Chatgpt as the action that takes place following the trigger. This is important because it illustrates how you can use data from one service to automatically prompt actions in another. Imagine pulling information directly from a spreadsheet and having it processed seamlessly by Chatgpt without lifting a finger. The integration of OpenAI allows for a wide array of creative possibilities, whether it's summarizing data, providing insights, or even generating natural language responses based on inputs from Google Sheets. By setting up this automation, you save valuable time and reduce the likelihood of human error, letting Zapier handle the repetitious tasks for you. It's all about efficiency and enhancing productivity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have now automated your Chatgpt prompts with Zapier. We hope this guide made the process easy to understand. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!